Hi guys! Welcome to my channel again and again and again. Today is January 17, 2:30 p.m. USA Pacific Time. And of course, I'm sending my greetings to everyone to have a wonderful day. So now, I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card on Amazon. I have a gift card in my hand now. It's worth $100 or equivalent 4,700 Philippine peso. So come and watch, especially for those loving buying online. See you there. So log in our username and password on browser or apps. And we go to your account. Go gift card, view balance or redeem a card. And redeem a gift card. And we have to put your code for gift card. And apply to your balance. And then you can say that, guys, I have $100 balance on my Amazon account. Thank you for watching, guys.